Welcome back to AS Motive Zone. Today, I am bringing you a truly powerful and futuristic creation, the Lamborghini Beast Motorhome concept. This is not an ordinary camper. This is a luxury motorhome built with Lamborghini design language, combining the aggressive soul of a supercar with the comfort of a high-end mobile living space. From the outside to the inside, everything about this motorhome speaks of speed, dominance, and modern luxury. Let's start with the exterior design, because this motorhome looks like a beast even when it is standing still. The front face is inspired directly by Lamborghini supercars. Sharp LED headlights cut through the design like blades, and the bold Lamborghini-style grille gives the motorhome a fierce and confident expression. The front bumper is sculpted with angular lines and aerodynamic shapes that make it look fast and futuristic. The body of this motorhome is ultra-long and very tall, built on a 6x6 platform that gives it massive road presence. The wide off-road tires sit under muscular wheel arches, making the motorhome look ready for any terrain. Even though it is designed as a luxury camper, it still carries the strength and attitude of an off-road machine. The color scheme is one of the most striking parts of this design. Black is the primary color, giving the motorhome a mysterious and powerful look, while neon green accents run across the body like glowing energy lines. These glowing accents highlight the sharp patterns and futuristic shapes of the exterior. Glossy carbon fiber panels add a premium feel and also enhance the sporty character of the motorhome. The side profile shows just how long and dramatic this vehicle is. Smooth, armored panels flow from front to back with elegant but aggressive patterns. Large panoramic glass windows are placed along the sides, giving a clear view of the outside world while maintaining a luxury appearance. These windows blend perfectly into the black body, making the motorhome look sleek and high-tech. Let's move inside and explore the interior of this extraordinary machine. The driver cabin feels like stepping into a Lamborghini cockpit, but on a much larger scale. The dashboard is sharp and sculpted with carbon fiber textures and glossy black surfaces. Neon green accent lines run across the dashboard and doors, creating a futuristic and energetic atmosphere. Moving deeper into the motorhome, the main living area opens up into a futuristic lounge. The walls and ceiling are designed with geometric patterns and glowing light strips that create a dramatic visual effect. This area is perfect for relaxing, enjoying music, or watching the view through the panoramic windows. The ceiling design is inspired by modern aircraft and spacecraft interiors. Layered panels with glowing accents give the feeling of a high-tech environment. Natural daylight enters through panoramic glass sections, blending with the interior lighting and making the space feel bright and open. Moving toward the sleeping area, the design becomes calmer, but still keeps the Lamborghini spirit alive. The bed area is narrow and compact, designed for 2 people. Soft ambient lighting surrounds the bed, creating a relaxing atmosphere. The walls are finished with smooth black panels and subtle green lines that give a peaceful yet futuristic feeling. Storage shelves are built into the walls around the bed, allowing personal items to be kept organized. These shelves follow the same sharp design language as the rest of the interior, maintaining consistency throughout the motorhome. The entire interior feels like a blend of a luxury apartment and a supercar cockpit. It is bold, modern, and full of character. This motorhome is not designed for ordinary camping. It is designed for people who want to travel with style, confidence, and presence. Natural light enhances the black and neon green color theme, making the space feel energetic and alive. What makes this Lamborghini Beast Motorhome special is how it combines extreme design with everyday comfort. It does not try to look like a traditional home.
Instead, it looks like a futuristic supercar transformed into a living space. This gives it a unique identity that stands apart from normal motorhomes. This motorhome represents a new vision of luxury travel. It shows that a camper can be aggressive, sporty, and futuristic while still offering comfort and functionality. In the end, the Lamborghini Beast Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It is a statement of power, design, and modern lifestyle. It is built for those who want something bold and unforgettable. This motorhome proves that the future of luxury travel can be fast, stylish, and full of personality. This is not just a motorhome. This is a Lamborghini-inspired fortress on wheels, designed to dominate the road and redefine how luxury travel looks and feels.
Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with another unbelievable machine on wheels.